He was born on 22 December 1881 in Tamil Nadu. He had an amazing talent of numbers. He discovered many mathematical theories. His birthday is celebrated as the National Mathematical Day in Japan. Good morning to another passenger. My name is Yasudamka. I am studying 5th standard A section. I am talk about tongue twister. Red lorry, blue lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, blue lorry, yellow lorry. Ice cream, you scream, we all are scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all are scream for ice cream. Caesar, Caesar, Caesar. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Yasudamka. I am studying 5th standard A section. I am talk about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first Indian mathematician. He was born at Pathanpur, now Pune, in India. He was born on 1475 AD. He ruled in years of considered of T65 days. He was born at Pathanpur in ruled to the believed in India. Good morning to all. My name is Srigani. I am studying 5th standard A section. I am talk about brain. The brain has the control center of our body, cerebrum. It is largest part of our brain, cerebellum. This part of the brain maintains of our back below cerebrum as maintain balance of our body. Thank you. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் டிக்சன். 5ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆசிரியர் படிக்கின்றேன். நான் பேசக்கூடிய கருத்து மயிலை பற்றி பேசப்படுகிறேன். மயில் ஒரு அழகான பறவை. மயில் தேசிய பறவை. மயில் தோகை நீண்டமாக இருக்கும். மயில்